Technique number 3. The breakthrough mentality. If you want to be successful in spiritual warfare, you need to develop the breakthrough mentality. This is the mentality that says you're going to fight until you win. You're not going to give up. You don't accept defeat. You're going to do whatever is necessary to defeat the devil. My friend was once shown a vision that helps explain this mentality. She saw in her vision a dark cloud over an area, filled with evil spirits. And there were Christians underneath this cloud praying. As the Christians prayed, they would ascend upward toward the dark cloud, pressing into it. But only those Christians that would pray hard and continually would break through the dark cloud and go above it. The rest of the Christians who gave up too soon, who didn't break through, would eventually fall back down to earth underneath the cloud. The Christians who would break through the dark cloud would have victory over the enemy and victory over their circumstances. But those who would fall back down would always be dealing with their circumstances, trying just to maintain. Therefore, a determination to break through in prayer is critical. Another friend of mine was shown a similar vision. She saw that when Christians prayed, a sword would start developing in front of their mouth. At first, the sword was small, but as they prayed through, as they prayed with faith and determination, the sword would get bigger and bigger. When they were finished, an angel would then take the sword and go fight on behalf of that prayer. So the question is, do you want a little sword coming out of your mouth and attack the devil with a toothpick? Or do you want a big sword coming out and do real damage to the kingdom of darkness? So in prayer, don't get distracted. Don't get discouraged. Don't be lazy. You must overcome in prayer. If you want to be successful in spiritual warfare, you're going to need to pray hard, pray with faith, focus, and determination. And don't give up. You must have the breakthrough mentality.